Please, carry on.
Just now I've been informed that I'm supposed to go to Delhi. So I'm going to Delhi and I will go to Delhi and have a dialogue with the officials who have called.
So, are you also going to continue this hunger strike till you get some
My people will be here, but I've asked the crowd to go back because I don't want them to be waiting here. I will go to Delhi and they've told me to, they've requested me that to come there and have a talk with them, and I'm going there. So unconditionally I'll tell them to go back home, but my workers and the stage and my party mission will all be here. That is there.
You will continue your hunger strike till you get...
I will go without any food to Delhi, and until I don't have anything, I will go empty stomach, and until I don't get anything, I will meet them with respect. I have a respect for the institution, but our issues have to be addressed, and until our issues are not addressed, I cannot be celebrating too early.
And written, you need written again.
Maharaj, has the call come from officials of the MHA or any even person that you can mention?
Yeah, I've got a call officially from, I was talking when I got the call, so I've been officially requested. I don't think it is proper for me, but it has come from official sources.